Jay from Sweet Softies here. I'm cradling this big old foot massager. It's actually quite portable and super lightweight. And what's great is that this is from Mountrax, by the way. I love it because I get to get a free foot massage while just winding down and doing what I love to do, which is crochet. And I can see this being great for those of you who are working from home and want to get in a little foot massage or a lot of foot massages while you're working at your desk. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing here and show you this product. I'm honestly really excited about a foot massager. It offers numerous benefits, including relieving stress and tension, improving blood circulation, reducing foot pain and swelling, and promoting overall relaxation. It's a really wonderful way to pamper yourself and enhance your well-being after a long day on your feet. For some first impressions here, it's looking pretty great. Here is the charger. There's also a manual in here with a small remote control. Here's the manual. It's pretty straightforward and it has a total of 5 pages pretty much. There's not a lot that goes into it. It's pretty easy to just get set up and used right away. On the side here is where you would plug in to charge. It's quite well made. The material inside is silky smooth to the touch. And here you can see a zipper going around the entire opening. The monitor is just right in front for easy access. This whole machine is quite light and portable, making it easy to bring from one room to another. Alright, so it's time to try it out. You can wear thin socks like me or go barefoot. Let's hit the power on button. Here is the timer feature. Red is 15 and blue is 30 minutes. There's a heat option beside it. You can toggle that on or off. Next, there's kneading from levels low, medium, and high, and same with air compression, low, medium, or high. The air compression is a nice touch. It really elevates the deep kneading and squeezing going on inside. It feels like a professional shiatsu massage. This is perfect for crocheters while you're enjoying your craft. I definitely recommend it. If you're interested, the product is available on Amazon. Check out the link in my description. Happy relaxing!